The flower stitch attachment allows you to use decorative stitches from your machine to create unique, flower-inspired circular designs. You can make these designs using a single stitch pattern or sew concentric circles for a whole new look. This attachment has an arm that sits above the needle clamp. There is a large circular base with notch markings and a prong in the center, which can be moved to determine various circle sizes. To place the flower stitch attachment on the machine, first raise the needle to its highest position by turning the hand wheel toward you. Loosen the side screw on the presser bar, then remove the presser foot and presser foot holder. Before placing the attachment on the machine, thread the bobbin first. Depending on your machine model, either lower the feed dogs or cover them. Position the arm so that it sits above the needle clamp. Tighten the side screw securely so that the attachment doesn't work itself loose while stitching. After selecting the stitch you want to use, you can make smaller circles by moving the disc so the prong is toward the minus marking. First, loosen the screw, move the disc, then tighten the screw. Position the fabric under the center of the disc. Lower the presser foot lifter. Hold the end of the needle thread with your left hand. Turn the hand wheel of the machine toward you slowly until the needle moves down and then up again to its highest position. Pull the needle thread slowly to pull the bobbin thread to the top side of the fabric. While holding the needle and bobbin threads, sew a few stitches. Stop to trim the threads, then continue sewing. Sew until a complete revolution has been made. Raise the needle to its highest position and lift the presser foot lifter. Remove the fabric from the machine. Cut the threads, leaving thread tails about 6 inches long. To make larger circles, raise the presser foot. Loosen the screw, move the disc toward the plus marking, and tighten the screw. Lower the presser foot and sew the new circle. Remove the fabric from the machine. Cut the threads, leaving thread tails about 6 inches long. Bring them to the back side of the fabric with a hand sewing needle, then tie to secure. Some other ideas for the flower stitch attachment include embellishing appliques and making covered buttons.